Hey, Don Copeland here, and I'm back again with the Pro Tips 101 for our 12H2. As I say every time I do one of these videos, this is not training. This is just a checklist for what you should be doing and you should know how to do. And if you don't know how to do it, go back to the training videos that you went through, or maybe you just randomly checked off and thought we wouldn't catch you not doing the training on the video. So this is an unusual one. This is going to be mid-production maintenance. You're not always going to have to do this. If you're running an hour or two at a time, you probably are not going to need to do this. If you've just had a heavy day, maybe you just had a bunch of shirts you've printed over the last 7 or 8 hours, or you're going to be printing 7 or 8 hours, you need to do some maintenance in the middle of the day, at least to check things to make sure everything is, because you may get some buildup and need to do some cleaning. So you're going to start off just as you would at the end of a day of production. You're going to clean the wiper blade as needed. If it's not dirty, don't worry about cleaning it. You're going to wipe around the capping station, the cap tops in the machine. You're going to clean any excess ink buildup on the print area or anything like that. Get that out of there, while you're taking a quick break, clean it up. Go ahead and execute a head cleaning. Sometimes if you're doing a lot of printing, you may start to see some fallout, especially in your white. And just go ahead and do a quick head cleaning and a quick nozzle check just to make sure everything's okay. It may not be a big deal, but I'd rather find out that it was perfect than to find out that it wasn't after I printed a bunch of shirts. You're going to clean up any excess powder that builds up around here, just to keep it tidy and make it easier to clean up at the end of the day. Replace any depleted inks, or also check your roll film. If you've got another 100 feet to print and you can look at that roll and it looks like there's 20 feet on it, go ahead and put a new roll on it, all right? Go ahead, again, once you've replaced that film, if you had to, do another nozzle check, just make sure everything's printing fine on that film. And lastly, cycle your powder back up to the top while you've taken that break, you're ready to go. Again, if you don't know what any of these things mean, go back to the training. But hopefully this helps you as you're running to get, what am I supposed to do in the middle of a heavy day of printing? Hopefully this will reference you back to it. Thanks for watching. I'm Don and I'm done.
For more pro tips, follow and subscribe. For more information on direct-to-film, call ColDesi at 877-793-3278.